Hello students, welcome all of you. In the last lecture, we have started the necklace, okay? And we are on page number 18. Page number 18, last paragraph. So see on page number 18, last passage. Instead of being delighted as her husband had hoped, she threw the invitation on the table resentfully. As you know that Mathilde and her husband got the invitation to present in the ceremony, okay? And her husband, Mathilde's husband, had hoped that Mathilde would become happy when she would get invitation. But instead of being delighted means happy. Instead of being happy as her husband had hoped, हस्बैंड को ऐसा लगा था कि मैथिल्ड इनविटेशन देख के बहुत खुश होगी, लेकिन वो खुश नहीं हुई. तो क्या हुआ? शी थ्रू द इनविटेशन ऑन द टेबल पे इनविटेशन को फेंक दिया. रिसेंटफुली मीन्स एंग्रीली. शी एंग्रीली थ्रू इनविटेशन ऑन द टेबल एंड मटर्ड. मीनिंग मटर्ड क्या है? मटर्ड मतलब स्पोक, ओके? Spoke in a low voice, muttered. Spoke in a low voice. What she spoke or what she muttered. What do you want me to do with that? What will I do with this invitation? इस invitation को लेके मैं क्या करूं? And what do you expect me to wear if I go? Okay, if I go to the ceremony, if I go to that function, what do you expect to wear? What should I wear? I have no beautiful dresses. I have no rich dresses. तो मैं क्या पहनूं? अगर मुझे जाना होगा तो मैं क्या पहनूं, क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत अच्छे रिच ड्रेसेस नहीं हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट. He hadn't thought of that. Mathilde's husband hadn't thought about her dress or about her problem. उसने तो सोचा ही नहीं था. He stammered. Okay, stammered means he spoke with difficulty. Stammered means spoke with difficulty. Stammered का मीनिंग क्या है? Spoke with difficulty. Husband spoke with difficulty. Why? Page number 19. Why the dress you go to the theater in? It seems very nice to me. Okay, there was a dress of Mathilde that she used to wear to go to the theater, and that dress was nice for her husband. हस्बैंड ने बोला कि वो जो ड्रेस है मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा है. That dress is very nice. You can wear that dress that you used to go to the theater. He stopped, stunned and distressed, to see his wife crying. Okay, so husband stopped. He stunned. Stunned means shocked. S-T-U-N-N-E-D. Stunned means shocked, and distressed. Distressed means became sad. He became sad, he was shocked, and he stopped talking because he saw his wife was crying. Okay, अपने बीवी को, अपनी वाइफ को रोते हुए देखकर वो रुक गया, and he was shocked. उसको शॉक लगा. He stuttered. Okay, stuttered means stammered. Spoke with difficulty. He stuttered. What is the matter? He asked Mathilde. Husband asked Mathilde, what is the matter now? Why are you crying? Let's see, Mathilde. How much would a suitable dress cost? So he offered to Mathilde that tell me the suitable cost of a new dress. So he was ready to buy new dress. He was ready to purchase new dress for Mathilde. So he asked Mathilde, how much would a suitable dress cost? Next paragraph. She thought for a moment, computing the cost and also wondering what amount she could ask for without an immediate refusal. She thought for a moment. Mathilde thought for a moment and she started calculation in her mind. उसने सोचा कि कितने का ड्रेस मुझे लेना है, 2000 का लेना है, 3000 का लेना है. So she started calculating. She was computing the cost in the mind, and she was thinking that she should tell the exact amount, the particular amount, that husband should not refuse that amount. ऐसा अमाउंट बोला जाए कि जिसे हस्बैंड रिफ्यूज ना करे, ऐसे अमाउंट के बारे में वो मन ही मन हम सोच रहे थे. At last she answered hesitantly. और लास्ट उसने hesitantly आंसर दिया, सोचते हुए आंसर दिया. I don't know exactly, but I think I could do it with 400 francs. So she told she didn't know exactly the amount. She did not understand what the exact amount of dress, but she would think that she could do, Mathilde could adjust with the 400 francs. Means Mathilde wanted a dress of 400 francs. Francs is what? Franc means the currency of France. Okay, so वो currency का नाम है. जैसे हमारे यहाँ रुपया होता है, पैसा होता है, वैसे फ्रांस में क्या होता है? फ्रैंक, FRANC. सो उसने कहा कि मुझे 400 फ्रैंक का जो ड्रेस है वो लेना है, परचेस करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. He turned a little pale because he had been saving the exact amount to buy a gun for the hunting summer in the country near Nanterre with a few friends. So when husband heard 400 francs, he became little pale. Little pale means he became little sad. He became little sad because the husband had saved that exact amount. Okay, how much? 400 francs. Husband had saved that exact amount to buy a gun for hunting summer. Husband wanted to go to hunting in a summer season, and for hunting he had to buy a gun, and to buy a gun husband had saved 400 francs. Okay, तो इसलिए वो 400 फ्रैंक का नाम सुनकर वो थोड़ा दुखी हो गया कि मेरे लिए जो बचाए है वो अब मैथिल को देने होंगे. ओके, so he wanted to go to hunting in the country near Nanterre. Okay, and with his few friends. However, he said, very well, I can give you 400 francs. Okay, लेकिन फिर भी हस्बैंड ने कहा कि ठीक है, no problem, I am ready to give you 400 francs. Okay, but try and get a really beautiful dress. हस्बैंड ने कहा कि अगर तुम्हें चाहिए तो मैं देता हूं ये पैसे, लेकिन उन पैसों में तुम एक अच्छा ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस खरीदना, कोई ऐसा वैसा ड्रेस मत लाना. बाय अ ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस, रियली ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेस इन दोज मनी. ओके, नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. The day of the party drew near and Madame Loisel, Madame या Madame Loisel seemed sad, restless, anxious, though her dress was ready. Okay, so buying or purchasing of dress was decided, and in a few days or later Mathilde purchased the new dress. न्यू ड्रेस उसने खरीद लिया 400 फ्रैंक्स का. And the day of the party came near. Drew near means came near. पार्टी का दिन नजदीक आया. And Madame Loisel, who is Madame Loisel? Mathilde is Madame Loisel. Madame Loisel means Mathilde. Okay, so ये जो Mathilde थी, वो पार्टी का दिन जब नजदीक आया तब वो सैड दिखने लगी. Mathilde seemed sad, restless, anxious. Anxious means worried. WORRIED, worried. Mathilde was seeming worried. Mathilde seemed worried, sad, restless. Though her dress was ready, उसका ड्रेस रेडी था, उसने खरीद लिया होगा या दिया होगा सीने के लिए, लेकिन उसका ड्रेस रेडी होने के बावजूद, ओके, द मोटिव इज उसका ड्रेस रेडी होने के बाद भी, उसको नया ड्रेस मिलने के बाद भी वो दुखी थी, वो रेस्टलेस थी, वो एंग्जियस थी, वरीड थी. ओके, उसको तो खुश होना चाहिए था क्योंकि उसको नया ड्रेस मिल गया था, लेकिन वो दुखी थी. ओके, क्यों? देखते हैं. One evening, her husband said to her, "What is the matter now?" हस्बैंड ने अब कहा कि अब क्या मैटर है, अब क्या हो गया है तुम्हें, मैंने तुम्हें नया ड्रेस तो दे दिया. What is the matter now? You have been acting strange these last 3 days. You have been acting means you have been behaving strange, mysterious. तुम्हारा बिहेवियर, तुम्हारा जो मतलब बिहेवियर का जो तरीका है, मेथड है, वो बहुत ही स्ट्रेंज है, वो बहुत ही मिस्टीरियस है. सो व्हाई आर यू बिहेविंग मिस्टीरियसली? व्हाई आर यू बिहेविंग स्ट्रेंज लास्ट 3 days? She replied, Mathilde, means Madame Loisel, means Madame Loisel replied, I am upset that I have no jewels, not a single stone to wear. Mathilde ने कहा कि मैं अपसेट हूं क्योंकि नए ड्रेस के ऊपर पहनने के लिए मेरे पास ज्वेलरी नहीं है. I have no jewelry, I have no ornaments, I have no single stone to wear. पहनने के लिए मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है, तो नए ड्रेस के ऊपर मैं क्या पहनूं? I would rather not go to the party. तो मैं पार्टी को ही नहीं जाती हूँ. इतना सब देने के बाद भी वो कह रही थी कि she was not ready to go to the party because she had no jewelry or she had no any single ornament to wear. You could wear flowers, he said. Husband ने कहा कि you can adjust here. If you have no any jewelry, you can wear flowers. You can wear jewelry of flowers. They are very fashionable at this time of year. Nowadays, jewelry of flowers, ornaments of flowers have become very fashionable. अब तो फैशन है फूलों को पहनने का, फूलों की ऑर्नामेंट्स या ज्वेलरी पहनने का, तो तुम फूलों को वेयर कर सकती हो, फूलों को पहन सकती हो. She was not convinced, but इससे वो convinced नहीं हुई. She was not convinced. The next day, she went to her friend's house and told her of her distress. Distress means sadness or problem. So next day वो अपने friend के घर गई. Mathilde went to her friend's house next day and told her friend about her distress, about her difficulty or problem. Madame Forestier went to her mirrored wardrobe, took out a large box, brought it back, opened it, and said to Madame Loisel. So Madame Forestier means Madame Forestier. Madame Forestier was the name of her friend. Okay, so she went, means Madame Forestier went to her mirror wardrobe. Wardrobe आपको पता है, wardrobe means cupboard. So mirror का जो उसका cupboard था वो वहां गई. Okay, she drew out. Madame Forestier drew out, took out a large box from the wardrobe, from the cupboard, and brought it back to Mathilde. Opened that box and said to Madame Loisel, means Madame Forestier said to Mathilde or Madame Loisel, choose my dear. Madame Forestier ने बॉक्स को ओपन किया, उसमें बहुत सारे ऑर्नामेंट्स थे, तो उसने मैथिल्ड से कहा कि तुम इनमें से चूज कर सकती हो जो तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा, जो तुम्हें पसंद है. ओके, जो तुम्हें लाइक करता है वो जो पसंद आता है उसे चूज करो, सिलेक्ट. माय डियर, इफ यू लाइक यू कैन सिलेक्ट एनीवन. फर्स्ट मैथिल्ड सॉ सम ब्रेसलेट्स इन द बॉक्स में मैथिल्ड ने क्या देखा? शी सॉ सम ब्रेसलेट्स, देन अ पर्ल नेकलेस. आफ्टर bracelets she saw pearl necklace. Okay, she tried on the jewelry in the mirror. She tried on means she wore that jewelry, okay, and saw herself in front of the mirror. She tried on the jewelry in the mirror. She kept asking, Mathilde kept asking to Madame Forestier, you have nothing else? इतना ही है, और कुछ है? मतलब और कुछ नेकलेस है या ब्रेसलेट है या कोई हार वगैरह है? तो वो पूछती थी, मतलब she was not satisfied at that time. Okay, and so she kept asking, you have nothing else. Okay, so इस तरह से हमारा पेज नंबर 19 कंप्लीट हो गया है. पेज नंबर 18 और पेज नंबर 19 हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ सी ऑन पेज नंबर 20. पेज नंबर 20. Why? Yes, but I don't know what you like. Madame Forestier said, yes, I have other ornaments also, but I don't know what you like. Means I don't know your choice. वो कौन सा ऑर्नामेंट तुम्हें पसंद आता है मुझे पता नहीं है, ये मैडम फॉरेस्टियर ने कहा. ओके, suddenly she discovered in a black satin box. So suddenly Mathilde discovered or found अ ब्लैक सैटिन बॉक्स, अ सुपर्ब डायमंड नेकलेस। तो सडनली मैथ्यू को एक डायमंड नेकलेस वहां मिल गया उस सैटिन के बॉक्स में। ओके, सो पेज नंबर 20 हमने स्टार्ट किया है और पेज नंबर 20 का हमारा पहला पैराग्राफ चल रहा है। रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ लेसन वी विल लर्न इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। थैंक यू very much.